Chloe, Chloe, you wanna walk? You wanna walk? Chloe, you wanna walk?
Okay, so when you guys come in June, what you said was that usually you can get like 7 to 10 days, no more than 10 for sure. And what you said is you guys were gonna fly out together, right? And then I heard that you were all gonna be here for a few days, and then Michelle was gonna go on, and Dad heard you guys were all gonna be here the whole time, but then you were gonna fly home, and she was gonna go on to her parents' house. So Will was, well, wait a minute, how many days are we gonna see Rowan? And I go, well, if that's right, then we see him all week, but I'm not sure if I'm right or not, so. Dad's right, okay.
Jess, what are you doing?
Yeah, we just won't open the garage door yet, because I think it's down in the Rose room still, or maybe? Don't open the garage door yet.
Chloe, are you ready? Chloe, you ready? You ready?
This is my parents doing work. As you can see, they're really not getting very far. They're kind of stuck at this.
So can you get the whole keep it?
He was just saying, wait a minute, that's some of the big areas. It's pond and it's leading through there.
And I don't have any like math events. Right? I do have one friend. God dang it. Wind is going to be only. Bo? 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 Are you kidding? It's all
So this is my parents doing yard work, and they're trying to cover this up with weed mat, but...
Here come the cherry timbers. That's how you can be useful. You can go get cherry timbers. That'll hold it down better.
Who said I'd want to be useful?
You little team.
We will hold it down better.
Put it down.
You.
go get another cherry timber. And Bo will go get one too.
Wear gloves.
Okay, he's useful.
Totally red.
Here he is. Somewhere. I haven't figured it out yet, but I know that he is.
I'm useful in filming your guys' whole experience.
I want to film my whole experience.
This happens from part of their experience.
You're gonna get beat. I'm telling you right now. Sure.
Oh, sorry, I guess red gloves. Oh. These are really red.
Go. Just keep walking and walking. Go. Go. Honestly, she just needs to go in the house, and she's not helpful. Come here, that little pug.
We have planters in the front.
Water. All right. Oh, the wind is not sitting in your pocket now.
Oops.
Okay, here. You take this end. Okay.
This is me going to get a cherry timber.
Not the bridge with the dirt over it, to get the dirt all over the bridge. The cement things, the blocks, whatever, cinder blocks, they should be on top of the dirt. Okay. Otherwise,
I don't want them to show.
you can put something up, right up to them or whatever, but they should be on top, under the bridge or whatever.
So this is us eating dinner.
That one on top of them. Otherwise, your bridge will rust.